This is the review on the Rothco 5053 8-inch forced entry side zip tactical boots in black size 13. These boots are very comfortable to wear in a long time. 8-inch side going here. I like them a lot. They're really cool. They're very comfortable to wear. They are amazing. Awesome. They are $60 on evic.com. Shop at evic for any of your airsoft needs or wants. They are an amazing site, great customer service. They're really cool there. I've worn these boots for hours at a time. Very comfortable. I can wear these for like I'll sleep in these if I needed to. They're very comfortable. They're amazing for airsoft. Drawn shot, don't feel it at all. They're great. evic.com. Shop at evic. Thanks.